Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing both accounts and the game client. First, update Free Fire and restart your device. This avoids sync errors. Once done, make sure you know your Facebook and Google passwords and can receive any two-factor codes because permissions will be requested. Then open the game and go to Profile or Settings, then Account Management. This is where linking starts. You do this now so the next steps only involve granting access and confirming identities, which speeds the process and reduces risk. Now you authorize each social account. Tap Bind and choose Facebook first. A Facebook dialog appears, read permissions and tap Continue to allow Free Fire access. Once Facebook shows linked, pick Bind then Google. If you see multiple accounts, choose the one you use for backups and play services. Make sure to accept requested scopes and verify any security prompts from Google. If the game requests an email confirmation, complete it. These steps connect identity and save progress to both providers. Finish by verifying the link across devices. Log out of Free Fire and then log back in using Facebook or Google to confirm your profile and inventory load correctly. Make sure account management displays both providers as linked and check that your email or ID matches. If something goes wrong, clear app cache and data, restart, and try again. Make sure two-factor codes are current. If persistent errors occur, unlink and relink the problematic provider after re-authenticating its account to resolve permissions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.